When a clingy cat has lover.
My belly is rumbling. I hunger, mother. I hunger.
Regardless of what his daily meal portion is, it should be reduced a bit.
He's literally pulling his hair out to make a nest. You see his hair? And the cat ain't moving. Oh!
A true captain always goes down with his own ship.
Ooh.
Not the attention it wants, though.
Bro. Move. Curry.
A box without a lid. If only everything were that simple.
How is the mermi?
Perhaps when designing the staircase, the homeowner never anticipated this day would come.
Milo!
If life is a meal, then chaos must be a cat's daily breakfast.
What kind of gay shit is this? Finley, get off your brother. It's kind of weird, dude.
Typical cat prank on each other, those movements are so smooth as if practiced.
Can you even fit in there? I don't think you can even fit in there, can you? Now you think you can make my room? You're too big, Simon. Apparently not.
Even when cat can turn most of its body liquid, the head is an exception.
I may be little, but my mama taught me MMAW, murder, mitten, sweeping. Hiss at me again.
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Either this kid can't handle the truth, or his tongue's got Bluetooth somehow. Not every cat's an extrovert, but fighting, that's in their DNA already. A head bump's still way too gentle to make a cat quit its tail chasing game.
The last resort, the couples tell all. Gino, how are things?
Well, with sunshine like that, getting stuck doesn't seem so bad. That's what happens when you don't pet it often enough. When it comes to food, there are no more brothers, only infinity wars. No one wins in a useless fight.
그 야속한 쌀떡 앞에서
学大便
외할머니
쉬는 거다. 쉼표 같은 느낌이었고 말이야. 쉼표 같은 걸 많이 썼어요. 야 천상의 목소리. 너 이대로 미련 가지고
Licking Bluetooth, then drinking wireless water. Have cats evolved this far already? You see that smirk? Girl's really confident, huh? Scientifically, the cat is just checking its friend's health, but still, that's gross. Was the straw always this big? Well, if I can't steal a sip. Look away from this guy for just 10 seconds and another mess appears.
Get down. He sees a bug. Is that really necessary, BG? Oh, God.
Just one hat, and suddenly the other is a whole different creature to them.
Ballerina cappuccina. Mi 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 mi. È la moglie di Cappuccino Assassino. E ama la musica la 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 la.
Breaking the rules is just a cat thing.
Я не можу без кота, я не можу. База забрали. Мені нема з ким навіть поговорити, Денису.
Bro, why do you stand like that?
Henry, oh God. Don't go up there. Don't do it. Oh, there's a bug. Oh my God, he wants his bug. Oh my God, he's trying to get a bug. I cannot believe this. Cat. No. Oh my God, he got it. He got it, Henry. Good boy.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.